Baking with Gracie.
Hello. We're making banana bread.
So what did we just do?
We put some melted butter in here, and we're making banana bread.
That's right. Mix it up really well. Wow. You look like a professional. Are you Baker Gracie?
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to the next step.
Okay.
We added sugar to our mushed banana melted butter mix.
All done. Here you go.
And now it's time to mix it all together.
On flour. So yummy.
Pour the flour in and mix it up. Time to bake at 350 for 55 minutes. Here's the finished banana bread. This is the recipe we used for our banana bread. Please give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Gracie and Mommy Adventures.